Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and welcome to the Man Cave. The Ferrari, yeah, for me it's only 5 seconds ago since I finished the last video. I'm sorry for that. But, well, while this one is drying, we're gonna work on the door covers. Yes, we got them over here. They are, oh my god, oh, can you see it? Beaten. They are in a very bad shape. And what we're gonna do, got the stuff already here, we're gonna polish them, and then we're gonna put them back on the Ferrari. So, easy, let's get started. I'm sorry guys, the battery died and I was so busy working on this thing I didn't even notice. On camera it probably looks pretty good, but it's not. This is the underside, it looks fantastic, you can polish it. I don't know why I did it, because it wasn't necessary, but the visible side is so full of scratches and I really don't want to sand it down. I tried sanding it with a 3000 grit, and yes, it helps to get the dirt off, but not enough. But then again, although it's scratched, it looks shiny, so I think it's good enough for now to put it back on the car. One down, 3 to go. Okay guys, I got them shiny as good as I possibly can. There are still a lot of scratches on them, but I really need my big tool to do the real polishing, and I'm afraid that I'm gonna damage the part. So we're not gonna do that, not just yet. Maybe it's chromed, so maybe I can send it to the chrome shop one day, but I wouldn't want to do it with this piece because there's leather on it. And well, I now know how hard it is to put the leather back on. I don't want that. I have to think about it, but we're gonna just put them back on the puzzle, just to get the puzzle complete, like I said. And then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with it in the future. So, the funny part is I'm missing some holes. I don't know why, but I'm missing some holes. Maybe it's because of the paint. I really don't know what happened, but I think we're gonna need to drill some new holes, I guess. Put you like this so you can see what I am doing. First we got this one. This one fits like here, and it's a tight squeeze. Hope she still fits. Just like that. And it's just like this. Yes, correctly. And it used to stay on its place. like this. There goes the polishing. Now we got fingers on it all over again. Yeah, that's it. And then we have this one. Very carefully marked. It fits like over here. We've got 2 holes, just like this. But there are 4 holes in the thingy, and only, I don't get it, but that's okay. And I got 4 screws. Well, what we're gonna do, we're gonna fit the first 2 just like that. So it can't slide anymore. It was sketchy putting a screw in somewhat fresh paint. Yeah, it's typical Ferrari. It's not the most beautiful solution. But hey, it's a race car, right? Just like that. We got it all fixed. And we have to drill 2 little holes. Forgot. Yeah, I forgot to put on the copper grease. Copper grease. So A, you can remove it easily, and B, preventing the damage I caused with screwing it to rust. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna drill 2 holes, then we're gonna put some copper grease, on it and tighten up, and then this side is finished, and then the other side. Yay! Come over here, guys. Nice and comfortable in the Ferrari. Feels good. You know what? I'm not gonna film the other side. It's exactly the same as this, unless something goes terribly wrong. Nothing to see. I see something weird on the camera. Wait 1 second. I don't know what just happened, and if you've seen what I've just said and all done, but never mind. It's one big mess. That's what I'm all about. I'm a big mess. You know what? We're gonna put in the dash. Yes, because we don't need to do that on the same side filming, no? We're gonna just put in the dash. And then we have another job. Driving and cleaning. Yeah. And just like that, we're on the other side. We got this one. Now, well, using the proper glue solved my problem. And another problem is solved. Yes. You can now just put this one over here. Correctly, of course. It's like this. And then you click. And then there. Yeah. Click. Why don't you click? Click. I said click, yes. She's in. Solid. Job done. Okay guys, I kind of forgot what I was doing. Got a little bit of a headache. I think I have to go to bed. But we're not gonna do that until we have driven her and cleaned her up. So let's fire this baby up, drive a little block, maybe use the time to get my daughter, I have to get her, and then with the 308 of course. And then after that we're gonna wash her, put her back in, and tomorrow we're gonna start, and that's next week for you of course. Yeah, sorry. We're gonna start installing the deck. A job that I really need to do because she's simply not finished yet. But I am so nervous about that job. So let's fire her up.
2 hours later.
Well, that was a very nice drive. She's still a little stuttery. Likes to cut off. Maybe she needs some more fuel or some less, I don't know. And the fuel pump isn't working properly. That's a little bit irritating, but I can fix that. I fixed it before. You know what? We're gonna finish this video with a nice time lapse of her getting cleaned, and then see you next time. Ciao. Yeah, that was a hell of a time lapse. Sorry guys, I forgot to turn on the camera. But she's clean. She can go in for a nice nighty night. Yeah, sorry. But again, see you again next time. Hey, goodbye.